In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel bookings on Booking.com. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to look out for so you can cancel with confidence and avoid surprises. First, head to the Booking.com website and make sure you're using the same account you used to make the reservation. This helps the system pull up your trips instantly and ensures any refunds or confirmations go to the right place. Start by clicking your profile at the top right of the page. It's usually your name or a small avatar icon. This opens your personal hub, where all your account options live. If you don't see your name, double-check that you're signed in. Next, click Bookings and Trips from the menu. This takes you to a page that lists your upcoming and past reservations. Here you can quickly spot the trip you want to cancel. Each booking card typically shows the property name, your dates, and often a note about whether it's refundable. If you have a lot of trips, scroll through or use any available filters to find the right one. Now, open the booking you want to cancel. On the booking details page, look for the Cancel Reservation option. If the booking is cancelable, the button will be clearly visible. Click it, and Booking.com will show a summary of the property's cancellation policy, including any fees, deadlines, or refund timelines. Read this carefully. Free cancellation often has a cutoff time, and once that passes, the platform may apply charges. Time zones can matter here, so check the date and time closely. If everything looks good, confirm the cancellation by following the prompts. After you confirm, you should see an on-screen confirmation and receive an email verifying that the reservation has been canceled. Keep that email for your records and refresh your Bookings and Trips page to confirm the status now shows as canceled. If a refund applies, it typically returns to your original payment method. Processing times can vary by bank or card provider. If you used credits, vouchers, or rewards, they're usually returned to your account balance once the cancellation is complete. If you don't see a cancel option, it often means the booking is non-refundable or the cancellation window has already passed. In that case, review the policy shown on the booking page for details and possible next steps. That's it. Click your profile, open Bookings and Trips, and cancel from within the booking's details. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you cancel smoothly and confidently.